All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So while battery life is totally subjective, this battery case is not. So first, I want to thank Jay Gibbs for providing this battery case to me for review. I'll link his video down below. And I want to talk about this battery case after using it for a few days. So maybe 48 hours or so. So this case right here is also made for the Pixel 6. I do have a Pixel 6. And I actually have some battery cases coming in. But again, he reached out to me first, and I was like, well, I don't have mine yet, so let's do it, man. I'm ready to check them out, see how they'll be with the Pixel 6, because the battery life on my Pixel 6 is absolutely fantastic. But this right here took me over the top. It took me where I needed to be, because you think about it, this is 15,000 milliamps. This is crazy right here. So this has 5,000 in the phone and 10,000 in this case. Now, looking at the case itself, it's a soft touch matte feel, so I think you'll really like how it feels on your hands. And one thing I like about this case is that it slopes so it falls into my hand, and I have big hands, and so this is a good match for me, and it'll be a good match for you even if you don't have big hands, because it's going to rest in the palm of your hand like that. That's how we hold our phones pretty much, and it won't be anything poking into the center of your hand like if you're just doing the phone alone. So battery cases obviously add a bunch of weight, and they double the thickness of your phone in most cases. So most people aren't getting these for show and look good. They're getting them for the power that they need to take them through a weekend, take them through a work day, whatever the case may be. So this case being 10,000 milliamps, I can confirm that you're actually getting that 10,000 milliamps. So this case right here has some input and output readings on the inside here, where you can see that. And it also has a soft touch. This little layer here is to protect your phone from scratches and things like that. So that is why that is there. And that's different from some other battery cases that I've used. Now, you can also see little pockets in there for drop protection and shock absorption. Now, I've never dropped the Pixel 6 Pro in this case yet, but I'm sure I will. I've been kind of using this case. But this is actually really nice. Now, one thing I don't like about the case is this round circle here where it just shows just the cameras. I know they did that for protection, but I'm just not really feeling that. I would have liked to see it all the way open to have more of like a squared off look, to kind of mirror the squared off look of the phone. So that's just a little personal thing for me. You got your cutout on the top for the microphone. You got the ports on the bottom, your Type-C, and then you can check the battery by pressing it once right there. And this is obviously a wrinkly at the top and soft at the top, because you got to be able to put the phone in the case. Now, let's pop it in. It just slides in. Now, one thing I noticed about this case compared to some other cases that I've used, it goes in really easy. This is a thin phone, but the offset of that is there's not very much lip protection on here. And so if you have a screen protector, you're going to be all good. But if you don't have a screen protector, you might have some concerns about that. So you might want to put on a glass screen protector if that's your thing. If not, keep rocking it full throttle the way you're rocking it right now. I don't have anything on mine. I do have a screen protector. I just hadn't put it back on yet. But see the large cutout on the top here for that speaker grill. And then you have the lip protection on here. It's just not a lot. That's all. So other than that, ports line up. And when you turn it on, I'm gonna hold down this button right here. You hold it, you press it once to check it, and then you hold it to turn it on. So it lets me know it's full. I fully charged it. I've only fully charged it once because I actually used it. And talking about the charging speed, I charged this phone from I think 30 to 70%, and it used 2 of the bars, and I think that's really good. But let's hold it down. Let me show you what it looks like when it comes on. Little vibration. I got my phone on vibrate, so you can sort of see the little ripple through, and now it says charging. So I actually charged this phone case with a 20 amp Anker charger, which I love that charger. I have a bunch of different chargers I could use. I just chose to use that one at the time because it was the one closest to me, and it charged up this battery case. It technically had 1 bar left. It was blinking 3. So it charged it up fairly fast, man. But again, I was using a 20 watt Anker charger. So keep that in mind. So this case right here is going to set you back, I believe, $60. And again, they also make it for the Pixel 6, and I believe that one is $50. So I'll leave links to both down in the description just in case some sales or something pop off and you'll be able to get yours. But once again, also in the description is my man Jay Gibbs' video on this case right here. I appreciate him supplying this to me and selecting me to work with. You know, I appreciate the love, son. I'm gonna have to collab with you again on something else. I'll look out for you on that. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.